So I'm looking at Dynamics 365 and I have opportunities inside of here. And so if I go to one of these records, let's just go to the first one, then you can see that there are activities listed against opportunities. So I would be able to come in here as a salesperson, click on the Activities tab, and see when the last interactions we've had when a customer occurred. So I could see that there was an interaction on 7/21. That was a phone call. Of course, I could add in another interaction like a task or another phone call in here. Let's just put a phone call in. So we're going to say called to check on quote status, whatever that happens to be, and we'll click OK. So what our add-on's going to do is actually take this new date and populate the fields that we have added in with our add-on magically in the background. So I'll just refresh my screen because this just takes a couple seconds to save, and I'll speed it up. Okay, so now you can see that the last activity date is populated with today's date, 1/11, and the phone call date is also 1/11. So the last activity date is the last overall interaction we've had or activity with this opportunity. And you can see here the last phone call in particular was 1/11. If we had a last appointment, a last task, or a last email, those would also be populated in here. So it's just nice to be able to tell this from these fields, although this isn't the place where you'd want to take advantage of this add-on. You'd actually be better served if you go off to the opportunities view. So let's just go out to the view here that I've modified. Let's look at open opportunities. Now you could add these fields to any view or use them in an advanced find in the system. I just happen to add them to open opportunities. Now you can see here the last activity date, last appointment, last email, last phone call, and last task are all here as columns for me. I could then sort by those values, change to ascending or descending order. I can also use those to create a marketing list or target folks that we haven't spoken to in a while. So those might be what we would consider a little bit of colder opportunities or opportunities that lingered, and then go back out and get those. So it's a really handy, nice add-on that really just brings a lot of value to the system. Hopefully you'll find it interesting and valuable, and you can contact us by clicking the URL to get this add-on. Join me next time for more information on Dynamics 365. Bye.